Why, hello, you've stumbled in the middle of a little project of mine. This is an old Western Digital MyBook that I've taken apart, and this is its circuitry. As you can see here, this is FireWire. So I want to use this with an older computer. Just for fun, this is the original drive that was inside, and we'll be replacing it with this SSD. But this is a 2.5-inch drive. How are we going to fit it in there? Well, that's a good question. That's why we're going to look at this Orico 2.5 to 3.5 inch hard drive adapter. Hopefully this will let me use this SSD with my legacy hard drive enclosure. So let's take a look. So what do we have inside the box? So we open it up. We have a manual, some screws, and the enclosure, just like that. So we'll just take out our SSD. Okay, so we have our SSD, and we should just be able to slide it in just like that. So we'll just do that. And I think it needs just a little bit of force. And click, it's in. And now we can line up the screw holes. And here we have it compared with a standard 3.5-inch drive. As you can see here, this adapter is a little bit slimmer than your standard 3.5 drive, at least this one. Okay, so here's a side profile. This is a standard 3.5-inch drive. Here's our adapter, and you can see the SATA ports line up perfectly. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, I have this legacy 3.5-inch drive enclosure that has FireWire, and we're gonna replace this drive and put in the SSD, and hopefully it all works fine. Okay, so I'll just take this apart. So first things first, I think I just gotta remove this. And now for the most important question, is the SATA port going to line up perfectly? It should, judging by eyeballing it with the original drive, but let's see. We're good to go. It just slid in just perfectly. Okay, so now it's time to put back on the controller board. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in some screws here, just to kind of hold it together so it doesn't come loose. So we're going to line up the SATA ports here with the SATA ports on our adapter. Okay, and thanks to this 3.5-inch drive enclosure, we have adapted this 2.5-inch SSD to work with this piece of legacy equipment. Before I close it all up, I'm going to test it quickly. Okay, welcome to my retro desk. This is where I keep a Mac Mini to play with old software. Here we have our SSD in the 3.5-inch enclosure with the FireWire adapter. Now, I wanted to record this before I seal it up because I'm not sure if this is going to work right. See here, right? I'll zoom in. It sees it as Western Digital. That's a bit weird. Now, the drive size is right. That's correct. That's not a Western Digital drive. The original was 1 terabyte. The one you saw on camera was a 2 terabyte drive, but I just slipped in a different one when I was buttoning back up. I didn't test that drive. That drive is dead, I think. So I guess we can try and format it. So we're going to make one partition, and we're going to call it FireWire, and hit apply. There, partition. Just let it sit. It still thinks it's Western Digital, but I guess it's just how the FireWire adapter works, not so much the enclosure we're looking at. So that's good. Now, I don't think that will work on OS 9. I think I might have to partition it. That did work. We have a 1 terabyte SSD connected to Mac OS 9 via FireWire. I'll just do a quick data copy. And it's just copying over FireWire and seems to be doing just fine. All right, that worked. All right, I'm going to button it back up now. Okay, so I just tested it out and it works perfectly. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this new enclosure inside of, well, my old enclosure. Bit of a nested doll situation. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to line up those little rubber feet with this little thing here, and then we should just be able to slide it in. So we'll just do that. So it just kind of slides in like that, and then we should just be able to push. We also need to reinstall this light pipe, just like that, and we're starting to look a bit more complete. Now we just need to put back on our shell. So I think it just slides in like that. Okay, so we're here at my desk, and there we have my retro drive enclosure. And inside there, of course, is our 3.5-inch adapter with the 2.5-inch SSD inside. And thanks to that, we now have a 1 terabyte SSD hooked up via FireWire, which is pretty cool. If you are interested in picking one of these up, I'll put an affiliate link in the description below. That'll allow me to keep making these silly little videos. Thank you very much for watching. I plan on doing more videos about this retro Mac. In fact, I have a few unedited ones that I should have uploaded before. And also, if you are interested, I have a product review channel where I review products. I'll put links all around. Anyway, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, yada, 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 and I'll see you next time. Bye.